Welcome to My Normal Life, ? In this edition, we check out the PEEIPM outdoor wireless security camera. It goes for under $40, and I decided to test it indoors, not outdoors. I'm planning to set it up maybe on Monday, but today's Friday, and I have other things to do, so I decided to do an unboxing at least and shoot some video indoors, if you don't mind. This is a super duper budget, under $40 security camera. It has a SD card, capacity to read a micro SD card, and also sends a lot of messages to my phone. I did not know that it had its own battery because I just placed it in front of the computer here while I was producing this video and kept on shooting me and the ceiling. But I'm thinking about putting this in the front of the house, give it a test run for see how it works. For under $40, I cannot complain. There are better units out there with higher resolution, with cameras that move left and right and up and down and follow the action, and are 4K even. But those cost a lot of money, and I'm a cheapskate. So I just wanted to see what's going on in my neighborhood, see what people are up to. A lot of people go in my front yard, especially ducks. There's a lot of ducks out there, different types of ducks, and they all enjoy going to my front yard. Here's a shot of the camera. It's a little box. It's basically a modified action camera, and here's the solar panel. So you plug in the solar panel, and it powers the unit. They both have little super cheap stands for each one of them. But as long as there's no hurricanes or any major winds, it should last a while. Yeah, that flange there, that connection to both the camera and the panel is modest at best. There's my micro SD card. I put it inside there. There's a spot, and then you turn on the camera by pressing one of the buttons. You also do Bluetooth on the right, on the left one in the middle, and you set up your system. And you can open this flap up so you can put in your little card there. And there goes the camera, and they're all set up. And of course, it's the manual, etc., etc. So you follow all the information to download the Bluetooth app and get it all set up. It's pretty straightforward. Even I can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. Here's some video samples of me in one of my living rooms. I have so many rooms in this house. It's crazy. So I'm just walking around. It's I figure it's 1080. I think it's about 720p interpolated. Interpolated means when it shoots twice 720p to make 1080p. It's not super high quality. Again, this is HD quality, half of HD, and they bump it up twice. I think it's interpolated. Marks down the date. It was today, March the 1st. During the evening, I was shooting all this. I was going to do it tomorrow, but I said, hey, I'm bored. Might as well do this little video on this fantastic little camera. I think it's pretty nice. What do you think? If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave your ideas below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel, My Normal Life, ? Again, gracias. From Fort Worth, Texas, this is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.